Hi DIYers, this is Michael from Alarm Grid, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clear a tamper error on your Honeywell Home PROA7PLUS security system. This same information also applies to the PROA7PLUS-C from Resideo, the Resideo PROA7PLUS-C, and also the Honeywell Home PROA7 and the Resideo PROA7C. They all follow the same process more or less. Same process. But anyway, tamper error. It means someone has opened up the system or attempted to open up the system. Really what it means, it's just the tamper switch inside the system, which I'm going to show you in a second. It's not being held down properly because it's not on the backplate properly, and the system wants you to know about that. So I'm going to show you how the tamper error occurs and how to fix it, what it looks like, and how to get the system on the backplate properly like it is right now. So the first thing we're actually going to do, we have a set screw at the bottom of our Honeywell Home ProA7PLUS, and that keeps it on the backplate. It keeps it from being removed. So we're going to remove that set screw first of all, because otherwise we're going to have a hard time getting it off the backplate and a hard time causing a tamper error. So let's sneak our way in here and try to get that off. You see our tuxedo is in the way a little bit, but I think we can get in there, and it looks like we're unscrewing it slowly but surely. I'm trying to do this without pressing the tuxedo at all, but there we go. Just got to unscrew that a bit, and there we go. We got our set screw out. That's what the set screw looks like. Make sure you don't lose that. I'm going to keep tabs on it right there. But now that we have our set screw removed, we can go and cause a tamper error. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's just take our system and get it off the back plate here. There we go. That was okay. Look. You can silence it by pressing the red button at the bottom, the clear tamper error. Let's show that off a bit. Well, it went away now that I've caused the tamper. Can I pull down the tamper and then perhaps cause it again? No. But anyway, let's show you how you would go about clearing it. There would be a red button here, but I quickly pressed it in panic to get it to silence. But what we can do, we can press this notification button, which has some notifications there. We see we have 2 on there. I'm going to press that, and you see we get the option to clear it and system AC loss, because also this is how the system gets AC power. When you take it off the backplate, this connection is obviously undone right now from the panel, and so we have AC loss as well. So extra serious problems today at Alarm Grid. So to get it to clear properly, we could press clear right now, and we can acknowledge with our master code, which are set the default 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course
disarmed, ready to arm.
Of course, you would normally change that code for security purposes, but we have ours for testing purposes. But you see that actually doesn't clear the problem, because we still have AC loss and we still have the tamper condition, because the red button right here, it's not being held down. That's the tamper switch, by the way. I promised I would show you it, and there it is. So you want to have that held down properly, and when it's on the backplate properly, this handy little guy sticking out right there pushes it in. So we're going to get our system back on the backplate, and then we're going to clear the tamper condition. So let's go ahead and do that. So all we have to do, we just kind of put it on there, and we just kind of get it to click and make sure it's good all around. And there we go, that looks good to me. So let's go ahead and clear the tamper error. And you see also, before I forget, we have a red LED. We have a red LED up in the upper right corner there, which indicates that there's a trouble condition, which is the tamper condition here. So let's go ahead and clear it. And you see we got our system back on AC, it looks like, or at least one condition went away. Control panel tampered. So that's the one we want to clear here. We're going to click the clear button. And again, we have to provide our master code to get it to go away. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
And you see we have cleared our tamper condition. Now I'm going to do it again, because I actually really want you to see what it looks like when we first do it. This time I won't panic and hear the beeping at me, so I'll show you it properly this time. But you see our LED is green to indicate that it is cleared, so that is how you clear it. But let's just go ahead and cause the same issue again by getting it off here. There we go. And you see we have our system AC loss right there. That's and control panel tampered. That's the thing you want to look out for, the big red box with the exclamation mark in it. That's how you know that there's a problem. But let's get ours back on there. Here we go. And no, we're not having an emergency, so let's not do that. But we got the silence to stop, or the beeping to stop. We are in silence. That's what we have now, silence. And now we're going to press the control panel tampered, and we're going to do clear, and we're going to enter in our master code again. You saw that the AC loss condition went away because I did get it back on there. I'll show you that again. See, it just has tamper right now because we haven't acknowledged it, but we have to acknowledge it. And we're going to go ahead and click clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, our default master code.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
And there you go. We have no trouble conditions on the system. The LED is green, and all is right in the world. So that is how you clear a tamper condition on your Honeywell Home PROA7PLUS or any other Honeywell Home or Resideo ProSeries system. So if you have any questions about the ProA7PLUS, about tamper conditions, or you're interested in alarm monitoring services, send an email to support@alarmgrid.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up below to like the video, and remember to subscribe to our channel for updates on future videos. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.